back with a video on a cloud, as you can see here.
I'd like to give credit to Sparkfun.
So this cloud is made for, it's a weather cloud, so it displays live weather data from the internet. So as you can see, what'll happen, as I'll show in a minute, is let's say it's sunny outside, as you can see it is as you saw it in that photo of the cloud that I showed you. It was blue, so representing blue skies. So it will do all sorts of things to represent it. You could also put it on a specific color, like what you could say if you wanted just to be green, just to be orange. You should see it at sunset. It's awesome. And just to be yellow, just a color. Or you can put it on disco mode, as I will show you all those options in a moment. So let me now show you the electronics. So as you can see here, this is the power supply. Then here's a resistor. So you may not be able to see that. I'll show that to you in a moment. So then here's where the main electronics are. So here, just a moment. So the main electronics are right here. So this is power. So the power supply. There's a black cable that comes in here, and then black, white, and green. So black goes in N, white goes in L, and green goes in ground. So that's those. I had trouble figuring those out. Then you get your power. So I have this cable right here. This is a speaker wire. That's just what provides the energy. Then this white thing right here, I twirl it around the speaker wire. This white is the data cable. So it's the information on what command you're putting. So it goes in, it puts the command in here, and then this is an Arduino Mini. So I don't want to press the reset button. So that's basically what this is. This power supply is big. So that's basically the setup that I have. And then this little, there's a resistor here. It doesn't, yeah, there's a resistor, or you could call it a capacitor there, right here. So, yeah, I can switch back to normal view for you and show you the other one, how you control it on the phone. Okay, so we're back here in normal view. That was a little challenging, getting the computer set up in a way that would show the electronics right here that I have. But what we're going to see is I'm using Blink as the app. So what we're going to see is the app and how I control the cloud up here. How to do that, and we'll take a look at the cloud and at Blink at the same time. So, yeah. Okay, so sorry about that beeping noise at the beginning, but as you can see, here's the cloud and here is the phone. So on the phone, as you can see, we're in disco mode, and so right here on the cloud, it is showing the random colors at random times. So that's what your disco mode is. There also is your RGBs for red, green, blue. So right now there's this little horse, and it shows exactly what colors. There's white, here's green, here's blue, and you can see exactly what colors. Here's dimmer light, nothing more of it. So here's a blue, and you can just sort of play around with it. So that is what those two are. Now let's go on to the final weather one. So here's the weather one. So the weather is blue skies out today, so it's showing a nice, good blue. So this, you can play around with this as much as you want, but it is not going to affect that. It is on weather mode, so it is wirelessly receiving the data from on the internet, and it's pulling that into and it's pulling that into our box, into our Arduino Mini, and it's pulling that, and it's formatting that into a displayable form. So as you can see right here for the RGB, I forgot to mention this, you can see like the dimensions on how much red, how much green, and how much blue you have in this one. So that's pretty much it for the cloud. So we can go back to normal view now. Okay, so we're back here in normal view. So now you've seen my cloud and how it works. So this is a really cool project. You should really do it. It is now really cool, so you can use it, and it isn't another piece of electronics. You can hang it up in your house, and it's really cool. So that's it for now for this cloud project. But be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have an electronics project you might want me to do, please post that in the description below. But that's it. So I'm Owen, and I'm up, over, and out.